And what's up, y'all? It's we're coming from the outdoor kid, and today my handcuffs came in the mail. Let's unbox them. So yeah, these are the vipertec black hinged handcuffs. Oh, here they are. Here are my handcuffs. There's nothing else in the box. So these are them. They are in a plastic thing. There we go. Oh my God, I love the look of these. These are nice handcuffs. So let me get these keys off this chain. It's just easy. Just gotta. Here we go. Bend that around. So these are the keys to the vipertec hinged handcuffs. Suspect has absolutely no movement in these things. I like these. These are nice. Get these keys. Just unlock them. So these are sponsored by a FBI agents. So they're a nice chromey color, as you can see. And these are double locking handcuffs. So like on the back of these, it's the double lock. And that silver pin right there. So what you do is you push that in. And now these do not tighten. They're double locked. And then to undo the double lock, you just counterclockwise. Now they're undouble locked, and then wabammy. I love these handcuffs. These are nice cuffs. So the idea is, yes, I'm gonna get a duty belt, and the idea is I take these out, I get them like that, and I'm gonna hold them and put them on the suspect like that. So yeah. These are my vipertec hinge handcuffs. Highly recommend them. And that is all we got for y'all today. And I will see you next time. Peace.